If your family loves ranch dressing as much as ours does, then having your own homemade dressing might make it just that much better. There are many different recipes for ranch dressing out there, but this recipe here is the one that our family has determined to be our absolute favorite. This is super quick and easy to make, and we get things started with 1 cup of mayonnaise into a large mixing bowl. And after that, we add 1 cup of sour cream right into that same bowl. We follow that up with 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Alright, now let's grab some distilled white vinegar, 1/4 cup to be exact. Then we'll turn to the parsley flakes and go 2 tablespoons with that, and another 2 tablespoons with the dill weed. If we can get it out of the jar. There we go. Alright, now we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And we're going to follow that up with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Looks good there. Now we'll turn to our secret ingredient, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. There we go. Now if you like pepper, this would be a good time to add that. We actually choose to not add pepper into our ranch dressing. As you can see here, Julie has started to mix this together using a rubber spatula. And if you haven't done so already, this is a great time to hit that like and subscribe button as we watch Julie, my bride of almost 3 decades now, get this fully mixed together. As this gets more mixed up, you can see Julie here checking that consistency. I'm not sure if you could fully hear Julie there, but she was saying she wants to switch over to the whisk just to finalize that mixing. Since we've got so many different powders in here, it's important to use that whisk to make sure everything gets fully blended together. And here you can check that consistency again. At this point, this is actually a consistency that we really like. But if you prefer having it slightly thinner, you can add 1 tablespoon of water and mix that fully in together. And again, check that consistency to confirm it's to your liking. And once you are to that point, Julie pours this directly into a dressing bottle for storage in the refrigerator. This is actually by Pampered Chef, and it actually comes with a lid that has a mixer built right into it, which is perfect for every time you're pulling this out of the refrigerator. You can quickly give it a quick mix. And be sure to see the description below for the list of all the ingredients, which can be easily copied. And now for my favorite part, the taste testing. A nice fresh salad with our homegrown lettuce that's grown with hydroponics. And if you're a big fan of salads, be sure to check out our absolute favorite, Crunchy Pear Salad, by clicking right there. And we'd love to invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, from our family to yours. We appreciate you watching and hope you enjoy. God bless.